Hello everyone, today's video is going to be about my son's pit bike. This is a cheap Chinese fully automatic electric start pit bike, and it started acting up on us. We've used it maybe 5 or 6 times and now it just won't start. I mean, it's been working flawlessly until we'll let it sit for too long. Maybe it's the battery or maybe there's some other issues with it, I'm not sure. But we'll try to figure it out. This thing clicks, but it won't start, so let's charge the battery and see if that'll help. Alright, this thing's been sitting for a couple hours now, so let's disconnect the battery and try it again. I guess we're gonna have to take it apart and see what's wrong with this thing. Sounds like this relay switch is working, so it must be something else then. Spark plug still looks good, but there's no spark. So let's check the starter and see, maybe that's the problem. I'm gonna disconnect the wire from the starter. Check this out, this is the wire that connects to the starter. Oh yeah, it's gotta be the starter. Well, I took it apart and it looks like some water got inside. I guess it got wet. I'm gonna try to clean up this armature and maybe it'll work again. But check this out, one of the brushes popped out and this one I guess is stuck from all the rust. I'm gonna try to clean this thing up and hopefully it'll work. Keeping my fingers crossed. There's some rust on the inside too, so let's clean that up. I'm going to use this stuff to create a seal or a gasket to prevent the water from coming inside. Since we got the starter fixed, might as well do the oil change since we're working on the bike anyways. Our rookie mechanic is gonna do his first ever oil change, and we're gonna use Mobile 1 10W40. So let's do the oil change. He's using 17mm socket. And he's gonna drain the oil. Now that the oil is completely drained, we're gonna put the plug back in. Manual states that we should pour approximately 0.6 quarts or 0.57 liters. So we're gonna make sure the bike is leveled and add some oil. We've put all the parts back on the bike and we checked the oil. The level of oil looks good. So let's find out if the problem is fixed. Alright, got it fixed. You want to take it for a spin? Alright, thank you for watching and take care.